And now, let's learn about the hierarchy of biological organizations. First is atoms. Second is molecules, organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organism, population, community, ecosystem, biomes, and lastly, the biosphere. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are organisms whose cells have a nucleus enclosed within a nuclear envelope, while prokaryotes are organisms that are metabolically diverse. Eukaryotic cells have nucleus while prokaryotic cells have nucleoids. For eukaryotes, plant cell wall is made up of cellulose and for fungi it's chitin. Prokaryotes bacteria is peptidoglycan. The cell membrane of eukaryotes have sterols while the prokaryotes have hopanoid. The endomembrane system can be found in eukaryotic cells but not in prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotes, ribosomes are found in the endomembrane system while in prokaryotes, these are in the cytoplasm only. The shape of the DNA in prokaryotic cell is circular while in eukaryotic cell is linear. Prokaryotes have only one chromosome and a plasmid, while eukaryotes have more than one chromosome. Eukaryotic cells are bigger than prokaryotic cells, but its surface area is bigger. In eukaryotes, cells reproduce through mitosis and meiosis, while prokaryotes reproduce through binary fission. DNA replication in eukaryotes is in the nucleus, while in prokaryotes is in the cytoplasm. In eukaryotes, transcription occurs in nucleus and translation occurs in cytoplasm, but in prokaryotes, transcription and translation are both done in the cytoplasm.